So we're doing a series on Achilles tendonitis. So if you haven't seen our other videos, make sure you check those out. But in this video, we're talking about a crucial step in the treatment of Achilles tendonitis, and that is strengthening. Since tendinitis, especially chronic tendinitis, is a weakening or a degeneration of that tendon, we want to make sure that we strengthen it appropriately. So we're going to give you a taste of what that looks like, but each case is going to be managed a little bit differently. If one is really flared up, we're going to strengthen it differently than one that is just simply nagging you a little bit. Or if it's on the lower portion of the tendon versus the middle portion of the tendon, we're going to manage those differently as well. So it's best to see a medical professional when you're dealing with this to make sure you're getting the right treatment. But again, we're just going to give you a taste of what some of that strengthening may look like. We're going to start by taking you through a test. This is a test that you can do at home to assess the strength of your Achilles tendon. If you cannot make it through this test, either due to pain or weakness, it's important that we get you assessed so we can correct those issues so they do not become bigger issues down the road. So what you're going to do is you're going to stand on a step with your heel hovering. You want a slight bend in your knee, and then you're going to lift your heel towards the ceiling, making sure all the motion is coming from your ankle. You don't want to steal momentum from your knee or your hip. Be really strict about this. And if you cannot do 15 strict reps without pain or without shaking or feeling like you're getting weak throughout that test, it's important that we bring you in so we can assess you and make sure we clean up any of these imbalances that you may have. So go through that test, and the cool thing is oftentimes that is the actual treatment. That is one of the variations that we'll take people through to help strengthen their Achilles, but there are many more, and that may not fit your individual case. We'll have to tweak some things, go into different positions. We might do isometrics, eccentrics. There's a lot of different options. So if you're struggling with Achilles tendonitis, be sure to check out those other videos that we have on just talking about what Achilles tendonitis is and then the treatment for Achilles tendonitis that we like to go through. But again, if you're struggling, we would be happy to help. Visit us online at TruMotionTherapy.com to learn more or schedule an appointment.